Hi friends, I'm just doing this page. It's a junk journal page. I call this my Rhino page. So I'm looking through and finding where I want to stick this page. So I cut up some buildings, and then I find another pattern I like to alternate in between. Get my Mod Podge ready and that kind of thing. I find this pattern I kind of like. It's kind of like chainmail or something like that. I really like it. It's from my coloring pages. I can't remember where I got them. Could have been the dollar store or another store. I can't remember thinking of it offhand. I think I bought some at Staples at one point too that were on sale. So I'm just alternating the design for a background, fast and easy background that I kind of some days feel like just doing some kind of colored pages on it. I thought this was cute, alternating the pages and putting them across. It kind of gives you a nice start to the background rather than just throwing paint down or something, book paper or whatever. I thought I'd do something a little different. Of course, I've done a few of these now, but I like it. So there I am, just kind of throwing on the Mod Podge, making sure my edges were all stuck. And that's that. I really like that. It's a real good beginning for a page. Getting my colors down. Thought I'd just throw some color on there, I'm guessing. So that's right. I was doing certain parts of the buildings a bit of red and stuff like that. And at this point I had no idea I was going to do a Rhino page. And just thought I'd add some red to my buildings. Watered down paint, some Mod Podge here to blend them in. Add a little bit of a interest in my background, and I can still see through and see my images and coming through. And it's not really important, but sometimes it is. It depends on just how it pops through, and that's the whole neat, interesting part of it. Getting a background that you just don't expect, or a little bit peeks through. And this is kind of a nice way without having to do a lot of stamping or anything like that. I could just kind of play with it. So I grabbed one of my stencils I made with hot glue, and I'm making some watery, bubbly colors, whatever. I sprayed some blue on there and letting that dry a bit. It bubbles up a bit when because I have the Mod Podge on there, but it's got a neat look. It almost water resistance, but it still dries on there good. And I'm just drying it up. Of course, I should have edited this out. I'm crazy. And now I'm kind of thinking about what I want to put in the background. So I'm thinking, I got my shape. I thought, okay, a little rhino, and that's where the cartoon rhino came in. So I started doing a little bit of a sketch with my what pencil is that? It's a all graphite pencil. No, it's a woodless pencil. And I just draw the shape of my little cartoon rhino, his little tail up in the air. And the gesso I started putting on there, it wasn't really getting clear enough for me, but I did a couple layers, getting my rhino kind of gessoed up so I can add some more color, and it's not mixing in with the color in the background. So just so I can put a little bit of detail in them. And there he's cute little chunky monkey little rhino, kind of very cartoony. And I added a little bit of blue, and was hoping to get a little bit of blue through my gesso and have that as a base color. And that's just a Tattered Angel spray. I just thought I'd throw that in there, get him going. Just to tint my skin color for my little rhino. Get his little cute ears in there. Now at this point I think I just had a little bit of a black acrylic paint in there, and I'm just outlining him and his tail. And it takes a little while to get shape, but he comes together. Just a cute little, like a baby rhino. I think he's so cute. But these pages are meant to be just really free, fun, and nothing like dramatic in the sense of like a masterpiece or a serious painting. I just want to play with these pages, so I'm just playing with a few of them, making them cutesy. I add some more gesso in him, making some of the black go a little gray, trying to make him look a little bit more, some pieces of him stand out a bit more. So highlighting the top parts, doing little circles at the bottom, and that kind of thing. Playing with him just a little bit, and that's that. He's such a cutie. I hope you guys liked him. He is my fun, cute little rhino. I might add more to this page at some point, but right now I'm happy with him. Thanks, guys. Bye.